ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಬೇಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಓಣಂ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಶಾಲಾ ಸಂಚಾಲಕರಾದ ದೇವಾನಂದ ಪೈ ಅವರು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಬಳಿಕ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಅವರು, ಇದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿದೆ, ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಸಂದೇಶ ರವಾನೆಯಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
What we call as Pookalam, if I'm not wrong. I appreciate that. And then thereafter, I was told by the students who came to invite me for this program, two of the students, who said, we are going to celebrate three different religious festivals into one program. It's nice to see that we are thinking of the students, our students, is going in the right direction. Perhaps it's because of the guidance by the principal and the members of the faculty. I congratulate them as well as all the students who are here for having arranged this program. Yes. There is also a message for all of us that there is something for us to be united, to keep us united in the festivals, particularly the
ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಸತೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕಿ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಇನ್ನಿತರರು ಹಾಜರಿದ್ದರು.